Hello viewers, this is Indrani from Priyadarshini Boutique, and today we have got so many beautiful Kora Banarasi sarees and some other beautiful sarees. So please join us. যারা দেখছেন এখন আমাকে মানে প্রিয়দর্শিনীর ইন্দ্রাণীকে আজকে আমি যে শাড়িগুলো নিয়ে এসেছি আমার সম্ভারে যে শাড়িগুলো রয়েছে তার মধ্যে আপনাদের ফেভারিট কোরা বেনারসি শাড়ি আছে যে শাড়িগুলো প্রত্যেকটা এক্সক্লুসিভ কালারগুলো ভীষণ সুন্দর নতুন এসছে শাড়িগুলো কালার কম্বিনেশন ভীষণ সুন্দর তার সঙ্গে কিছু তাসের বেনারসি আছে আমি প্রত্যেকদিন একটু দেখে নিই কী কী আছে সঙ্গে আর বেশ কিছু রেশম কোটা আছে যেগুলো হচ্ছে হ্যান্ড এমব্রয়ডারি হ্যান্ড স্টিচের কিছু মধুবনী পেন্টিং আছে যেগুলো হচ্ছে একদম ছত্তিশগড়ের তাসেরের ওপরে মধুবনী পেন্টিং আর কিছু পুন্দ্রু খাদি আছে সো কিপ জয়নিং so those people who are watching over there, so if you put a little comment for showing your presence, we will be definitely very much grateful to you. So if you are with us, so just put a little comment, hi, hello, anything, so then you can understand that you are with us, you are supporting us. যদি সঙ্গে থাকেন আপনাদের রিকোয়েস্ট করছি একটু হাই হ্যালো পাঠিয়ে দিন আমি বুঝতে পারবো যে সঙ্গে আপনারা আছেন আপনাদের উপস্থিতিটা একান্ত কাম্য ইট মিনস সো মাচ টু আস রিয়েলি ইটস মিন সো মাচ টু আস okay oh my god so many people had joined so let's get started with a beautiful Kora Banarasi sari so this is the first one. Right now I'm showing you all. A beautiful Kora Banarasi sari. Right now I'm showcasing you. With a bright yellow kind of color. And with a contrasted zari has been used. Contrasted antique zari has been used. And this is absolutely border and pallu concept sari. So many of you had requesting me for showing border pallu sarees. So this is how the saree look. Yellow, a bright kind of yellow saree on Kora Banarasi with the contrasted antique zari has been used for the border and pallu portion, and the main attraction of the sari is the color only. It has a beautiful reflecting tone, and as you know Kora Banarasi they are all byproduct of Katan Banarasi sari, so it has its own beauty. So you will be getting a beautiful 1 meter running blouse piece along with the sari. You can team them up with any kind of contrasted blouse also. It will goes very good with the sari. So this is the first one. Right now I'm showcasing you. This sari is the first sari number 1, which is priced at 10,000. Which is priced at 10,000. So the people are watching out there. So if you like this sari, so you are planning for booking planning to book this sari, so you have to do one thing. You just take the screenshot and send it to us at our WhatsApp, that is 9830374721. That is our WhatsApp number. You can call us in the same number. Sari number 2. Sari number 2, right now I am showcasing you. Sari number 2. This is also on Kora Banarasi, and it has a beautiful black color, which is jade black on Kora Banarasi sari, and it has got a silver zari. Both the border will be the same, and the buttas are there with a very close volume, and the paisleys are there in the corner part. This is called Konya design, which is very famous for Konya design. For the corner area, just take a look for the corner, so you can get to know the Konya design are there, the paisleys are there. You can say it's a KD, also called KD. and all over the body has got the buttas. Just take a look for the sari. It has a very lovely look for the black color and the silver zari also. অনেকের পছন্দের এই রংটা ব্ল্যাক এর সঙ্গে সিলভার অনেকের পছন্দ এবং বহু মানুষ আমাকে বলেন ব্ল্যাক উইথ সিলভার so that's why I brought this sari for you, a beautiful look sari with a very stylish color combination, that is black and silver. Your most desire is your most favorite, and you have a beautiful blouse piece which you will be getting along with the sari, 1 meter blouse piece. 12,000 for the sari. 12,000 for the sari. So you have got one more color with a stripe design, and it is also red with silver. It is also red with silver, and this time we brought this sari for the first time. For the first time we brought this sari in this color and this combination, obviously in a blood red and contrasted with silver. And just take a look for the sari. And just take a look. All over the body has got the vertical stripe, you know, which is going to be very smart. The pallu going through like this, and this is actually blood red color. As you can see the color, this is actually blood red. I think you all can understand the color. This is blood red and contrasted with the silver border, and all over the body around this stripe design, which is going to be like this. So I will just pleat them up, then you can understand how it will look after dripping. So that's the look of the sari. So just see, that's the look of the sari. $12,000 for the price range, and here you can having this beautiful solid color blouse along with the sari, which is in red color. 12,000 for the sari. তিনটেই অসাধারণ আমি কোরা বেনারসি দেখালাম। Moving on to the next. This is on pure tussar material. This is on pure tussar contrasted tussar with katan. So this part is for the katan, and all over the body has got this tussar material. And here you can see the contrasted color are there, like rust color. It is oranges rust color, and for the border portion you will be getting this beautiful purple color, which is in katan based, that's why it is really beautiful. It is really amazing. And see the border, and it has got beautiful antique zari on the border area. Just take a look for the border. On the border area you will be getting this floral design, and both the side and all over the body has got paisleys. Sorry, I'm so sorry. These are all karwa buttas. This is called karwa buttas. I will show you the back part, the reverse part of the sari, then you can get to know. These are all hand woven handloom sari, hand woven saris. Really exclusive sari from Banaras Handlooms. Really exclusive with the color combination. And this is the blouse piece. That's the blouse piece which you will be having with this sari. It has a nice look. It has a very nice and very rare contrast, like rust and purple. Amazing contrasted color. I would suggest you, for those people who are searching for exclusive sari, so you can buy it. You can just try it. You can just buy it. If you want to make booking for this, so we can. So you are taking booking for the sari. This is a beautiful color contrasted sari on tussar based, and the palla, blouse piece and the border will be on pure katan, and it has a very nice texture. 13,000 for the price range. 13,000 for the price range. Moving on to the next. এটাও অসাধারণ একটা শাড়ি। আমি কি বলবো, মানে খুব রেয়ার এই শাড়িগুলো আসে। আর সবথেকে বড় কথা, আমার কাছে এর আগে একটা এই ধরনের কালার এসেছিল, কিন্তু সেটা এসেছিল কি একদিকে চওড়া পাড় একদিকে সরু পাড়। বাট দিস টাইম উই ব্রট দ্য সেম লেন্থ বর্ডার which is very sleek border. We brought this kind of border. So it has a beautiful contrasted color, like fuchsia pink for the contrasted color, and see the blue color. I can't explain the color actually. So it has a tinge of Firoza kind of color. It has a tinge of blue color. It has a tinge of green on it. So it has a mixing color. It has a blended color. I can't say properly the color, but I can say one thing for this saree also. So it has a nice look. It has a very much reflecting color for your complexion. When you drape the saree, then you can understand. So this is the look of the saree. So if you wearing this saree, when you wear this saree, then you can understand how it will look. শাড়িটা যখন পরবেন অসাধারণ লাগবে দেখতে। দেখুন কি ভালো লাগছে, অসাধারণ দেখতে। আর সবথেকে বড় কথা, আপনারা চান কি সবসময় দুদিকে পাড়টা যেন সেম হয়, সরু বর্ডারে, কারণ তসর বেনারসি ম্যাক্সিমামই দেখতে পাওয়া যায় চওড়া বর্ডারে, এরকম সরু লেন্থের বর্ডার খুব কমই আসে। সো দিস ইজ হাউ দ্য শাড়ি লুক। 13,000 for the price range. 13,000 for the price range. Once more time, I will just show you the entire saree with the BP, how it will look after draping the saree. So you can guess how it will look. So that's the look of the saree. So that's the look of the saree. So you just imagine that's the look of the saree. Amazing look with amazing color contrast. 13,000 for the price range on pure tussar. So we have one more solid color tussar Banarsi saree. It is a peach kind of orange. It's peach orange color, which is very much reflecting, and contrasted color has been used, like red, pink and orange are there on the border area. As you can see the border, then you can find them. You can find them out for the color. And see the entire color. See the entire color. এই শাড়িটার কালারটা এতটাই সুন্দর, পিচের সঙ্গে অরেঞ্জ, একটা অদ্ভুত মিশ্রণ। আর পাড়েতে দেখতে পাচ্ছেন আপনারা যে কালারগুলো ইউজ করা হয়েছে, কন্ট্রাস্ট কালারগুলো, যেমন হচ্ছে রানী, অরেঞ্জ এবং রেড, ভীষণ ভীষণ ভালো লাগছে দেখতে। আর সব থেকে বড় কথা, শাড়িটা ভীষণ লাইট ওয়েট। ইট ইজ ভেরি মাচ লাইট ওয়েট শাড়ি। And this is the running blouse piece which you will be having with the saree. $13,000 for the price range. 13,000 for the price range.
Black grey কোনটা? Black grey একবার দেখাতে বলছি।
ও গ্রে নয়, ব্ল্যাক এর সঙ্গে সিলভার।
দেবপ্রিয়া।
Just take a look for the Muga Tussar brocade saree. Just take a look for the saree. এটা মুগা তাসারে ব্রোকেট করা আছে পুরোটাতেই, মুগা তাসার উইথ ব্রোকেট। 14,000 for the price range. ভীষণ সুন্দর শাড়ি, পুরো শাড়িটাতে এইভাবে অ্যান্টিক জারি দিয়ে করা, একদম ইউনিক অন্য ধরনের শাড়ি, এক্সক্লুসিভ একদম অন্য রকম শাড়ি। আর সামনের পোর্শনে ব্লাউজ পিসটা রয়েছে। দিস ইজ দ্য ব্লাউজ পিস। সব থেকে বড় কথা কালারটা অসাধারণ। এই কালারটা আমি বলবো পেস্তা গ্রিন কালার, একদম পেস্তা গ্রিন কালার, ভীষণ সুন্দর একটা কালার। তাতে অ্যান্টিক জারি দিয়ে অল ওভার কাজ করা। 14,000 শাড়িটার দাম। মুগা তাসারের উপর পুরো কাজ করা, মুগা তাসারের উপর পুরো কাজ করা। 14,000 ফর দ্য প্রাইস রেঞ্জ। Moving on to the next. This is on tussar based Madhubani painting. So this is Madhubani painting on Chhattisgarh tussar. Just take a look for the sari. It has a lovely painting which is going to be the front part, and it has a selvage on the border. And this part is for the pleats area, and the rest of the sari will be in orange color. Rest of the sari will be in orange color, and you will be getting this blouse piece, jacket pattern blouse piece around along with the sari. So it will gives you a very elegant look after making this beautiful blouse. So when you make this blouse, then you can understand it will gives you a very elegant look for this blouse. So this is how the sari look. That's the look of the sari.
7,000.
7,000 for the price range. Moving on to the next. This is also Madhubani painting sari. It has a story on it. As you know, for the Madhubani painting, there are some stories. Like this part will be with a full of stories, with the fish motifs are there. And it is contrasted with blue and grey. A beautiful sari on tussar based, Chhattisgarh tussar based, and this is going to be an exclusive sari. And this, the pallu will going like this. So this part is for the pleats area, and this is the blouse piece which you will be getting, and this is also the jacket pattern blouse which you will be having with the sari. In the pleats portion you will be getting this stripe design, and this is how the sari look. Price will be same, 7,000 for the sari. Now we have some beautiful hand painted sari on silk based. I like to show you the sari in a detail. Just take a look for this sari. So for the blending portion also, just have a look for the blending portion with the yellow and the orange color are there for the blended portion, and the bottom border, bottom portion of the sari will be with the full of tulip flowers, which is very bold and bright for its color. Just take a look for the palla, then you can guess how bold and beautiful this is. So this part is for the bottom border, and this blended portion will appear in the front part of your body, and this is going to be like this. So that's the look of the sari. That's the look of the sari.
4250.
4250 for the sari. This is 4-ply silk. This is on 4-ply silk. And you will be getting 1 meter blouse piece along with the sari. Moving on to the next. This is also on 4-ply silk. It has a very lovely color, like olive green color for the body portion, and on the border portion you will be getting this floral design. Just take a look for the floral design, which are all with lotus design, which is really lotus design, amazing lotus design on the border, and the palla will be the same. And with the motifs, with the Buddha motifs in between the floral design, you will be getting this Buddha motifs there, which is going to be a beautiful look for the palla, very much attractive look for the palla area. And you will be getting a running blouse piece along with the sari. এই শাড়িটা কিন্তু ভীষণ ভালো গ্রিন, আপনারা দেখতে পাচ্ছেন আমি গ্রিন পরেছি, কতটা ক্যামেরা ক্যাচিং, কতটা ক্যামেরা ফ্রেন্ডলি। এটার প্রাইস রেঞ্জ হচ্ছে 4200 4250 ফর দ্য প্রাইস রেঞ্জ। আর এর টেক্সচারটা এতটাই সুন্দর, ওই জন্য এত গ্লেজি লাগছে শাড়িটা দেখতে, মানে অনায়াসে এটা বলা যেতে পারে বিষ্ণুপুরি কাতান, কিন্তু না, এটা 4-ply টেক্সচার। আমি আপনাদের বারবার বলছি, যারা এখনো পর্যন্ত নিয়েছেন, ব্যাঙ্গালোর থেকে এক দিদি, ওনার নামটাও ঠিক মনে পড়ছে না আমার, কদিন আগে আবার জিজ্ঞেস করছেন জানি 4-ply সিল্কটা কি। আমি বললাম আপনি অর্ডার করেছেন ম্যাডাম, আপনি পাওয়ার পরে আমাকে বলবেন। তো উনি পাওয়ার পরে আমাকে বলেছেন সত্যি এত সুন্দর কোয়ালিটি। তো আমি আপনাদের এটা বলবো যে একটা 4-ply নিয়ে দেখুন, আপনারা বলবেন আমাকে। 4250 ফর দ্য প্রাইস রেঞ্জ। Now I'm going to show you some exclusive handcrafted sarees on resham kota material. Kathiabar and Katha has been done with the sleek border of the sari, and on the border area you will be finding out some mirror work are there, and all over the body has got floral buttas with very intricate work has been done, and the color for the threads which has been used for this sari, really it gives a very elegant look for the sari. It doesn't have any blouse pieces. 2300 for the price range. 2300 for the price range. So these are really exclusive sari. I will just take a look for the closer view, then you can get to know about the design of the sari. 2300 for the price range. This is one more resham kota sari. Right now I'm showcasing you with floral motifs. These are all applique work, applique and embroidery has been done with the broad border for both the side, and with the silvage with red color. And this is how the palla look, a beautiful palla with full of designed, really amazing look sari, very much gorgeous on resham kota based. So this is how the sari look. 2500 for the price range. 2500 for the price range. We have got one more exclusive resham kota sari with applique work, with the bars are there. For the border area, this is also broad border. Both the side having the same length of the border. So on the border area, just take a look on the border with the leaves are there and the birds are there. The amazing look. 2500 for the price range. This is on resham kota base. So people who are searching for the applique sarees, so we can book this saree also. So let me tell you about the booking procedure for the new viewers who has joined from today. So for those people, so if you asking for this saree, so this is for 2500 for the price range. If you asking for this saree, so you have to take the screenshot either, or you can call us for the description with the description of the saree. So if the saree is available to us, definitely we do confirm for that saree. This is the booking procedure, and you don't need to pay the shipping charges because shipping is absolutely free for us across India, including Kolkata. This is one more Gujarati sari which is needlework, and see the color. It has an amazing color. So it is pasta green, olive green, darker shade of pasta green. Just take a look for the sari. With the work, the mirror work are there. Orange, black and white color are there. Beautiful sari with a beautiful color also. These are really lightweight sarees for the summer season. And it has a very gorgeous look for the mirror and the Gujarati work also. 2700 for the price range. 2700 for the price range. We have posted us one sari in this color from previous show, right? Yesterday's show. So we have lots of booking on that sari. So we have same design sari on a different color. So I brought this one for those people who are asking for that sari. You are not getting that sari, so you can just have this sari also. কালকে একটা শাড়ি এরকমই আমি দেখিয়েছিলাম, অনেকেই পছন্দ করেছিলেন, তো অনেক বুকিংও এসছে যথারীতি। তো সেটা একটাই শাড়ি যেহেতু আমি দিতে পারিনি অনেকেই চেয়েছেন, জিজ্ঞেস করেছেন, তো তাদের জন্য বলবো এই শাড়িটা দেখতে পারেন। এই শাড়িটা ওই টাইপেরই শাড়ি, ডিজাইনটা সেম, খালি কালারটা ডিফারেন্ট অ্যান্ড অন দ্য সেম ম্যাটেরিয়াল অলসো। সো ইট হ্যাজ a really amazing design with amazing color also. It has a, you can say it's a melted butter light yellow color it is, and it has selvage on it with the green color, and the same design for the previous saree on yesterday's show. 3700 for the saree. 3700 for the saree. So this is also a very good color. যারা পাননি সেটা বুক করতেই পারেন, কারণ অনেকেই জিজ্ঞেস করেছেন কালকে, অনেককে দিতে পারিনি। কিছু করার থাকে না, যদি আগে কারোর বুকিং হয়ে যায় সেক্ষেত্রে আমার কিছু করার থাকে না। বাট দিস ইজ অলসো আ ভেরি গুড কালার। ইট হ্যাজ আ ভেরি গুড কালার, light yellow color which is very much reflecting, and the thread has been used. They are all beautiful, awesome. So you can just have it. You can book, keep booking for this. $3700 for the saree. This is on half tassel material. A beautiful outline katha we have in today's show. So this is the saree which is all over outline katha, which is a famous design of Priyadarshini Boutique. So this is a beautiful saree with the stripe design on half tassel with the zari stripe on this saree, and with the green selvage over there both the side, and all over the body has got this beautiful outline katha which is very much intricate, very much sober and soothing for the look of this saree, very much elegant. And this is the woven part. You can see the woven part with the sky blue color. As you can see the sky blue portion, it is a woven part. And this is how the saree look. So this is how the saree look. Mishon sober and mishon sundor, especially for the teacher, for doctors, for those profession. So you can just have it. And this part for the bottom portion, you'll be getting this border. And this is the blouse piece which you'll be having with the sari. A beautiful sari. 3750, 3700 for the price range. And last not the least, we have a beautiful half tassa sari with a beautiful color and the thread which has been used for the work. And this is obviously Kathiawar embroidery with a mirror work. Amazing design. Just take a look for the gorgeous border. So these are the first attempt for this season. For the upcoming puja, as you can say. So this is how the sari. This is how the sari. এটা হচ্ছে কুচিটা, প্লিটসটা, এটা হচ্ছে পুরো শাড়িটা। অসাধারণ দেখতে, কাজটা ভীষণ গর্জাস। আমি আরেকবার দেখাতে চাইবো, ভীষণ গর্জাস এবং কালারটাও অসাধারণ। পুরোটাই হাতের কাজ, দেখতে পাচ্ছেন কোনো মেশিন এমব্রয়ডারি নয়, পুরোটাই হাতের কাজ। ভীষণ সুন্দর দেখতে, অসম্ভব সুন্দর, কিছু বলার অপেক্ষা রাখে না। অ্যান্ড দিস ইজ দ্য ব্লাউজ পিস which you will be having with the sari. 4250 for the sari. Moving on to the next. This is a Pundru Khadi sari. People who have been requesting me for showing Pundru Khadi saris, so that's why I brought some Pundru Khadis, exclusive Pundru Khadi saris for you who are searching for Pundru Khadis. So here I am with the contrasted border, with the Ganga Jamuna border. So we have a few, we don't have more for this category, and you can have it just a beautiful border and the beautiful texture over the sari. And it has, I think it is a lovely yellow tone, and it has a very nice texture on it. As you can see the texture, it has a very nice texture. So this is Pundru Khadi sari. So this is the blouse piece which we will be having, and priced at 4500. 4500 for the exclusive Pundru Khadi. 4500 for the exclusive Pundru Khadi. One more Pundru Khadi we have, that is in green color contrasted with the indigo blue. It's a bright kind of green, and the special attraction of the sari is the border. So if you wish to buy this sari, if in case you are interested to book this one, so you have to take the screenshot and send it to us. That is the procedure, that is the booking procedure. And we have a team, they're always supporting you. If you asking for the sari, if you asking for any sari, any kind of sari, any kind of blouse, they will definitely help you out. And this is the blouse piece. They constantly doing hard work for the people. 4500 for the sari. So get contact with them, so definitely they will help you. In this lockdown period, we are just working with a few people. It is very much difficult to do such hard work, but we have to do. কিছু করার নেই, আমাদের খুব অল্প মানুষ নিয়ে কাজ করতে হচ্ছে আমাদের। তো আপনাদের যেখানটা অসুবিধা অবশ্যই আপনারা আমাদের টিমকে ফোন করবেন, তারা অবশ্যই আপনাদের হেল্প করবে। কোনো শাড়ির যদি প্রয়োজন হয়, কোনোটা দেখাতে ইচ্ছে হয়, দেখতে ইচ্ছে হয়, অবশ্যই আপনারা ফোন করে জানাবেন আমাদের। সো দিস ইজ দ্য লাস্ট ওয়ান। So this brings you the end of this episode. So this is the grey color and contrasted with the beige color. It has a lovely look, as you can see here, and price will be 4500. Thank you so much for with us. Stay safe and keep watching, keep booking. Thank you so much. And just take put a little comment, just give like and keep sharing. Thank you. Namaskar.